Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to join WhatsApp community. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the WhatsApp app and also make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to join WhatsApp community, you can ask other people to add you to the community who are already the member of that particular community. For example, here you can see this community section, tap on it. For now, I'm just the active member of one community, so I'll tap on it. I'll again tap on this community group. Once you're in the community page, tap in this profile page over here. Now you're in the community settings page. As I'm already the member of this community, I can add further members in this community over here. Here you can see add members option, tap on it. Now I can add my contacts into this community. So if you want to join a new community, you can either ask other people who are already the member of that community to add you in that community, or what you can do is, if you want to join random communities, you can go to your preferred web browser. On the search bar, search for WhatsApp community links. This website, What's Group Links, it provides different links for the group or the communities. So if you scroll down through this page, here you'll find different links of communities, and there is a join option beside that. So if you are interested in any of these communities, you can join these from here too. So that's it. That's how you can join community on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.